Hi everyone, I'm Nisa Teresa Simanjuntak, majoring in Tour and Travel Business in the University of Gajah Mada. Hi guys, welcome back. You must have watched my video last week, right? Can you guess why this is here? Well, now I want to show you my water bottle. You could say this water bottle is half my life.
What?
I'm just kidding. If you ask me what item best represent me, I would definitely say this water bottle. Because wherever I go, I always carry mineral water. Besides being healthier, it's also more economical and can be the first step in contributing to environmental protection. Let's take care of ourselves and our environmental, starting with small things because big impact don't always start with big step. Okay guys, thank you. See you.